comprehensive model for diagnosing organizational systems, that is organizational level, group level and individual level. You people will be understanding in the fourth module. Performance management model, goal setting, performance appraisal process, reward systems. In brief, you will be understanding in human resource management interventions. 2 cases on the above syllabus should be analyzed and recorded by in the skill development book. Hello, this is Purna Chandra, Faculty, Department of Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram, Temple of Excellence. So the subject which I'll be handling is organizational behavior, that is for the third sem B.Ba. So this is as per the new education policy what they have implemented. So you people will be studying it in your third sem according to the new education policy that has been implemented from the academic year 2021. So it is a discipline specific course for third sem B.Ba. So the subject code is 3.2 organizational behavior. So here you people will be dealing with 5 modules for this semester. So the first module is organization behavior and foundation of individual behavior. Second module, it mainly deals with group and team dynamics. Third module is change management. Your fourth module is organizational management. And the fifth module is OD intervention. So these are the 5 different modules which you people will be learning in this subject, that is organizational behavior, according to the new education policy that has been implemented by the University of Mysuru. So now we will understand what are the topics each modules have. So the first module, it is organizational behavior and foundations of individual behavior. In this module, basically you will be understanding the organization behavior and how people, individuals inside the organization, how they behave. So the topics in this module are organization behavior. You will be understanding the meaning, definition of organization behavior, importance of organization behavior, that is how important the study of organization behavior is to the business entity or organization. You will also understand the foundation of organization behavior and individual behavior, that is personal factors and environmental factors. This is mainly related with the individual behavior. What are the personal factors that affect the behavior of an individual, and as well as the environmental factors that affect the behavior of an individual within an organization. So after that we go to your organization systems and resources. This is also a very important topic. After that you understand personality. What is the meaning of personality and the nature of personality and determinants and traits of personality. What determines the personality of an individual? What are the different traits of an individual inside the organization? You will be dealing with that. Then afterwards you go to perception. So what is perception of individuals or group of people working in your organization? That is meaning of perception and factors influencing perception. What are the different kinds of factors that influence the perception? Perceptual process. What is the process involved in perceptual errors and managing perceptions? So these are the different topics which you people will be understanding in your first module. So now we'll go to the second module. Second module is basically group and team dynamics. So what are the different kinds of dynamics that groups or teams exhibit within an organization? So we will understand that. Group dynamics, you will be understanding meaning and the types of different groups. The types of different groups that will emerge within an organization, and development of groups and stages of group development, that is various stages are there which you people will be understanding in which groups are developed inside an organization. Determinants of group behavior, how group behave inside an organization and how do you determine the behavior of those groups. Next you go for team dynamics, the meaning of team dynamics, types of teams, the various types of teams inside an organization you will be studying. So after that you go for conflict, sources of conflicts and way of resolving conflicts. Conflicts is mainly some kind of misunderstanding which has led to a clash between individuals or groups inside an organization. So you will be understanding that what are the sources of conflicts and ways of resolving those conflicts. And in model 2, you will also be understanding managing interpersonal relationships. How do you manage the relationship between the individuals or groups inside your organization? So this is regarding your second module. Next, we'll go for the third module, that is change management. Introduction to change management. You will understand what is change and how do you manage those changes. So OD and change, and importance and nature of planned change. You will understand the importance and the nature of planned change, theories of planned change, action research model, and you will be understanding also Kurt Levin's change model, which is very important on your examination point of view. And after that, you will also be understanding introducing change effectively. So how you effectively change the behavior of the people. So basic steps in change, introducing change, factors influencing change, resistance to change, how people resist to change and how you deal with that, overcoming resistance to change, and how do you overcome the resistance that the people or group of people they exhibit, and empowering people to manage change, and activities contributing to effective change management. So these are the things that we will be understanding in your third module. So next we go for organizational development. Also we call it as OD, organizational development. This is in the fourth module. So the name of the fourth module is organizational development. So you will be understanding meaning and nature of organization development, competence of an OD practitioner, ethical guidelines for OD practitioner. So what ethical guidelines an OD practitioner has to show, you will be understanding. Process of organizational development. So that is the process of OD. And then overview of entering and contracting diagnosis. So that is meaning of diagnosis. What is diagnosis? Comprehensive model for diagnosing organizational systems. That is organizational level, group level and individual level. You people will be understanding in the fourth module. So this is regarding the fourth module, that is organizational development. Now we go to the fifth and the last module, that is OD interventions. So we will understand one by one. Designing effective OD interventions, that is how to design effective interventions. Overview of OD interventions, that is human process interventions, technostructural interventions, HRM, that is human resource management interventions, strategic change interventions, conditions of optimum success of OD. So these are the things. So in detail, in human process intervention, what you people will be understanding is T groups, process consultations, third party interventions, team building, organization confrontation meeting, intergroup relation intervention, microcosm group, that is large group interventions, open systems method and open space method. In brief, you people will be understanding in human process interventions. So in the fifth module itself, you will also be understanding technostructural interventions. So what are the topics in technostructural interventions is restructuring organization, structural design, functional structures, divisional structures, product structure, geographic and market structure, metric structure, network structure, boundaryless organization. You people will be understanding in brief. That is in technostructural interventions. After that, we go to human resource management intervention or HRM interventions. In this, you people will be understanding about overview of performance management interventions, that is performance management model, goal setting, performance appraisal process, reward systems. In brief, you will be understanding in human resource management interventions. So this is regarding the fifth and the final module. So next, the skill development activities that you people have to do. We will understand what kind of skill development activities you people have to do. 2 cases on the above syllabus should be analyzed and recorded by in the skill development book. So you have to maintain a skill development book where we will be discussing 2 case studies on the above syllabus, and you people have to analyze it, and you people have to give your opinion, and you have to draft your opinion about those 2 cases. That is that. And you should also draw Blake and Mountain managerial grid in your skill development book. And also you should also list the determinants of personality in your skill development book. So these are the skill development activities that has been prescribed by the University of Mysore for organizational behavior, 3rd sem, B.Ba. So next, books for reference. So your books for reference means these are the 5 books which the University of Mysore has prescribed for you people. The entire syllabus is within these books, that is your Fred Luthan's Organization Behavior, McGraw-Hill, and Robbins Organization Behavior International Book House, and K. Ashwathappa Organization Behavior HPH, and Appannaya and Management and Behavior Process HPH, Sharma RK and Gupta SK Management and Behavior Process, Kalyani Publishers. So these are the 5 books in which you'll get the entire syllabus. So you can refer these books and you can study. This is regarding the syllabus. Thank you.